What if Atlantis was not the only lost world beneath the sea? Beneath the dark ocean, another forgotten name has waited for centuries. Some call it a myth. Some call it a lost civilization. Its name was Lemuria. But the story of Lemuria did not begin as a legend. It began with a question. A scientific mystery that no one could fully explain. In the 19th century, scientists noticed something strange. Clues seemed to point across oceans, islands, and ancient coastlines. And from those clues, an idea was born. A lost land hidden by time. Lemurs were found in Madagascar and in parts of India. But between those regions, the ocean seemed to hold a missing piece. Some scientists wondered if a vanished land once connected them. They called this hypothetical land Lemuria. At first, Lemuria was not a kingdom, not a golden city, and not an empire. But then, the idea escaped science and entered myth. Writers and storytellers began to imagine Lemuria as something much greater. A lost civilization, a forgotten continent, a world swallowed by the sea. The deeper the story went, the harder it became to separate fact from imagination. Every symbol looked like a clue, but not every clue was proof. Was Lemuria real? How? Or only a reflection of what humans wanted to believe? For many, Lemuria became a dream of a world lost before history could remember it. So Chrono follows the mystery below the waves. If a lost world had vanished here, what would be left behind? Broken roads, silent ruins, clues buried beneath sand and water. For a moment, Lemuria feels real, almost close enough to touch. But the ocean can make imagination look like evidence. Stories of sinking lands appear again and again across human memory. The deeper Chrono searches, the more the mystery grows. And here, science gives the legend a different kind of truth. Today, scientists understand that continents move. Long before humans existed, Earth's landmasses were joined, broken, and carried away. This means the original scientific reason for Lemuria was replaced by better knowledge. But even when the theory faded, the legend survived. A scientific idea became a myth. A myth became a mystery. And the truth now lives somewhere between what we know and what we still hope to find. One door leads to science. The other leads to legend. Every clue tells part of the story, but none of them tell the whole truth. Atlantis was a warning. Lemuria was an explanation. But both became lost worlds. Two different origins. One shared question. What else has history forgotten? Sometimes, legends are not facts, but they may still point toward real fears. Real coastlines have disappeared. Real settlements have been swallowed. Real memories have been lost. That is why Lemuria still captures the imagination. Maybe Lemuria was never a golden empire. Maybe it was never a continent filled with temples and ancient kings. But it became something just as powerful. A symbol of the unknown. If Lemuria had a home, where would it have been hidden? In the Indian Ocean? Near Madagascar? Or somewhere deeper beneath the Pacific? The answer may not be a single place, but a memory of many lost shores. Because the greatest mysteries do not always give us answers. They leave us with fragments, symbols, and questions. And sometimes, a forgotten theory can become a legend that never dies. Lemuria reminds us that even ideas can sink and still leave ripples behind. The mystery remains unsolved, but that is why it survives. To search for Lemuria is to search for a past older than memory. And every lost world leads to another mystery. For a moment, it seems the truth is finally opening. But the ocean keeps its secrets well. And so, Lemuria slips back beneath the waves. Maybe it was real. Maybe it was only a legend. But one thing is certain: the dream of lost worlds is still alive. Now the question belongs to you. Do you believe Lemuria was a real lost continent? Was it hidden in the Indian Ocean, near Madagascar, or somewhere beneath the Pacific? Where was Lemuria hidden? Tell us your theory in the comments. Every theory brings the mystery back to life. But Chrono's journey is not over. If this mystery made you think, leave a like. And subscribe to History Unfolded for the next ancient mystery. Like, comment, and join Chrono as every lost world is uncovered. Because another mystery is already waiting. Every lost world has a secret, and every mystery is waiting to be unfolded. Thank you for watching History Unfolded. Like the video, comment your theory, and subscribe for the next mystery. Choose the next mystery and continue the journey with Chrono.